Hello, welcome everyone to question number one related to sorting from the topic hashing in Geek for Geeks Mosquito Coding interview questions. Have a quick look at the question. After that, we'll be discussing the meaning and coding part of that. Before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and use your extra email IDs to support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below and we will be very quick to respond. Let us go through the meaning of the question. Now in this question, there are two arrays given to us and we have to sort array 1 according to the array 2. What do I mean according to array 2 is we have to sort as per the elements that is listed in array 2. First element is 2 and we have to check the 2's present in A1. How many 2's are there? Two 2's are there. That's how we are printing. And how many 1's are there? Next 2 is over. Now we are checking 1 is present. Yes, 1 is present. How many times? 2 times. We're going to enter that many times as the result. Now 8, how many times? 2 times 8 is there. 80. We are going to enter. And 3, how many times? Only 1 time 3 is present. And this is the output. And this is the relative sorting. Okay, we are sorting related to A2. Okay, we are sorting A1 according to A2. Now we have sorted that. Now after that, there are few more elements remaining like 5, 7, 6, and 9. And what we're going to do is we're going to append them in a ascending order. Okay, if you start from ascending order, 5 will be there, then 6 will come, and 7 will come, lastly 9 will come. Okay, after sorting the elements of A1 according to A2, if any elements remaining, we will append them in the ascending order, and this will be our final output. Okay, if you still have doubt, let us have a dry run and it will be very much clear after seeing this. Okay. In this dry run, we are taking one hash map variable d and we are going to store all the values as keys and the number of time it is occurring as value for that key. Okay. Now let us start with the key pair as given in A2. Okay. We'll try to write all the A2 elements from A1. Okay. First, we are checking 2. How many 2's are there? 2 2's are there. Then how many 1's are there? 2 1's are there. Then how many 8's are there? We have two 8's in A1. We're going through the A1 and iterating how many numbers of times the element is been repeated and we're going to add that into a hash map. Now how many 3's are there? Only one 3 is there. After that, we're going to add other elements like 5 only present one time, 6 present one time, 7 is present one time, and 9 is present one time. So this is our hash map. Okay, now we have added all the elements. Now what we'll be doing in the second step is we're going to iterate A2. We're going to iterate A2 and take one element each time. Okay, first time we have taken 2. Now we will checking if this 2 element is present inside D or not. Yes, it is present. You can see clearly element is there. Now we are going to iterate the number of times the value is given and we are going to add that to a separate list. You can assume the list as F here. We're going to add all the output to the list of F. Okay, how many times 2 is there? 2 times there. So F will be updated 2 and 2. Okay, that should be updated according to A2, and this is what relative sorting is. Now 2 is over. Now we're going to delete that 2. We have deleted 2. Now there is no 2 element present in hash map. Now we have 1 in the second iteration of A2. Now 2 is over. Let us check for 1. For 1, we have how many 1's? We have 2 1's. We are going to add 2 times that 1 and we are going to delete that element. Okay, 1 is over. Now 8, how many 8's are there? 2 8's are there. We are appending that and we are going to delete that. Now next is 3. How many 3 are there? Only one 3 is there. We're going to append one time inside that F and then we're going to delete that element. Okay, now in the A2 all the elements have been iterated successfully, no element is remaining. So whatever remaining elements are there inside the A1, we're going to sort them and that will be 5 6 7 9, which is already in ascending order. So we're going to add those elements. 5 only one time present, one element has been added. 6 one time present, one element has been added, and then 7 and 9. Okay, and this will be our final output that we're going to return to the function. We are going to return this value and that will be our final answer in this question. I hope you understood the meaning and approach of this question. If you have any doubt related to coding part, let us go into the Geek for Geeks website. After that, it will be very much clear to you. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and as you can see, we have taken two variables here. F is in a list where we're going to store the output, and D is a hash map. Okay, and D is a variable which is a hash map, and in the first loop we are going is we are iterating all the elements and we are adding them to a hash map. Okay, the value will be the number of times it has occurred and the key will be the value inside the A1. Okay, and in the second for loop here, in the second for loop what we are doing is we are taking one element each time from A2 and we are checking if that element is present inside hash map or not. If it is present, then we're going to append how number of times it has occurred in the list, and we're going to add that to a f variable here. Okay, after that we're going to delete that variable, I mean the element, because we have already sorted that and have appended to f, then we have no use of that element. Okay, after completing the iteration A2, there may be some elements remaining. If the elements are remaining, we're going to sort that using d dot keys. Okay, and similarly to the second A2 loop, we're going to add the elements, the number of times it has occurred. Okay, and returning the final value f. I hope you have understood the code and the explanation till this part. If you like the video, give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. If you have any extra email IDs, please do use those and support our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.